Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the complex world of Honda Pakistan. Specifically, the governance struggles that have been making headlines recently. Now you might wonder, why should students like us care about corporate governance? Well, it's all about how decisions are made in big companies, and that can impact everything from job opportunities to the economy. Honda Pakistan, a subsidiary of the global giant Honda Motor Company, has been facing quite a few challenges lately. From internal power struggles to issues with transparency, the company's leadership has been under scrutiny. Let's break it down. First up, internal power struggles. It's not uncommon in large organizations for different factions to disagree on strategic direction. At Honda Pakistan, this has led to a tug-of-war between various stakeholders. Imagine trying to steer a ship with multiple captains, each with a different map. Next, transparency issues. Good governance thrives on clear, honest communication. But when information gets muddled or withheld, trust erodes. In Honda Pakistan's case, there have been concerns about financial disclosures and operational reports not being as transparent as they should be. So, what does this mean for Honda Pakistan moving forward? Well, they're in the process of implementing stricter governance policies. This includes clearer roles for board members, better financial oversight, and more robust communication channels. The takeaway here? Governance might seem like just a buzzword, but it's crucial for the health of any organization. For us students, understanding these dynamics can help us become better critics, leaders, and professionals in the future. So next time you hear about corporate governance, don't tune out. It's the backbone of how companies operate and succeed. Stay curious, stay informed. Until next time, take care. Take